90% of all millionaires in the US are invested in real estate. Why? Investment properties provide passive income in the form of rent, appreciation, tax benefits, and leverage. On average, the US real estate investor makes a total of $75,000 per year. With these statistics in mind and very little money to start, I tried my own experiment of investing $20 into Landa, the real estate investing app, 6 months ago. If I wanted to buy a new house that I found to be a steal through all of my research, I would just go to the homepage on the app, click 8641 Ashley Way because I'm expecting a good return on my money, and we would look at a few key factors. I first look at the pictures and the purchase cost, and then I compare that on Zillow.com to similar homes to see how much they are going for and see if it's worth my while to invest in that property or not. So I then make sure rent has been consistently paid, and it looks like it has under recent updates. If there is a request maintenance message, there will be more expenses for that month, and you have to make sure that it's not part of a larger problem. I then look at property economics, and I see a 9% dividend per share, which is simply comparing the price per share versus the dividends per share. This looks good right now because I'm expecting good appreciation, and the tenant has extended their lease. This means consistent income monthly. We like that. Now, note the cash reserves as well. If it is negative, that usually indicates a vacancy problem. If there is no tenant and no cash reserve, you will not receive a dividend. When you're ready to buy, click buy at the bottom, the quantity of shares you would like to purchase. I would like 1 share, please and thank you. Click next at the bottom and click buy at the bottom. Your order is now pending and will usually execute like a stock during stock market hours. With Landa, if I don't have enough cash in the actual Landa app, they will take the cash from my linked bank account, which is a benefit for me because I don't have to wait for funds to be deposited in order to buy shares. If I wanted to buy a property that was classified as trading, I would look at something like 1394 Oakview, which says trading in green, and click on it. Trading just means that all of the 10,000 shares have been purchased, so it's really a buyer and seller's market. If there is no seller at that time, the order will just remain pending until there is a seller, and then you become the owner of 1 share of that property. So what you have to do is click buy at the bottom, click your quantity. If you are okay with paying market price or $13, which is the average share price, then click next. But if you want a set price, like a limit order, click set your price at the top. Let's put in $10 because I believe that is the fair value of this property. Click set price, then click place order. The funds will be deducted from your account and the order will remain pending until a seller shows up. So far, my 2 favorite properties have doubled in value, and I'm currently searching for a few more on Landa. So please comment below if you would like to see some property updates and what I will be buying each month.